welcome back to Inktoberfest. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of different things. I've got Pixie dust, which is here from yesterday, because we didn't use it on our project. I still want to show you how to use it, but I also want to show you, this is a finished card that Michelle at Pink and Main sent me. Isn't that gorgeous? I always love getting cards. We put them on our Instagram and we have them at the back of the office, and she also sent me some of her release this month, so I thought I would share that with you as well. We'll be using it in other tutorials, but I love this Holly Jolly it's called, but it's got tons of sentiments in it. I'm a sentiment junkie, I don't know about you, but I just love the font as well, that kind of handwritten font in there. We've got holiday wreaths. You can build up different wreaths and options in there too. Some coordinating dies. There's a Merry Christmas die that matches in with this one here. Happy holidays, season's greetings. And then look at these falalamas. I just think they're super cute with their stockings and everything in there as well. This one is a bold greetings. This is the Happy Hanukkah dies. And we've got Happy Hanukkah stamp set as well with extra sentiments on here. And then we also have vertical sentiments. I'm a big fan of vertical sentiments. Sometimes you don't have room going that way on your card, but you do have room going that way. So really love these. But I wanted to use Michelle's little So Stinking Kind of You card that she sent me, which I love, to show you this liquid pixie dust. And then I'm going to just grab this out of here. And so I'm going to pop it onto my glass mat. Just so that, look at how much dance and shimmer is in this bottle. I mean, it's just amazing. Make sure you shake it thoroughly first. But you can take any finished project like this. The only thing I'm going to say is if it's water-based, if you use watercolors or a dye-based ink, just be a little bit careful because it can run. But so for instance, she sent me this cute little skunk on here. But pixie dust is clear. It just adds on a shimmer. And the fact I really like about it is that I can paint it on like this any way I want. I'm just going to paint all over her face. And she's going to look like she's my teenage daughter with body glitter all over her. Because apparently that's back in fashion, as are scrunchies and all those things that we thought would never come back. But you don't need much. You can see here I'm really doing a thin coat. Just a great opportunity to show you. I'm guessing this was coloured with alcohol markers. Now Pink and Main do have their own range of ink. I just didn't have any, so I'm just showing you what I do have. But isn't this super cute? Look at that. And now all of a sudden she just has that little bit of extra shimmer. So you don't have to wait for things like glossy accents are great, or clear nouveau drops, you know, they look awesome, but we have to wait for them to dry. Whereas this just adds all of that pop and shimmer and a little bit extra to your card. You could add it just over your sentiment areas as well. I'm just going to paint this. You can see I'm using tiny amounts. But it's just going to add that little bit of pop. Perfect for your holiday cards on there. So all of a sudden I now have a shimmering sentiment. So you can make your own shimmering cardstocks. Those pumpkins we started yesterday. Let's just give it a good shake again. And a dropper, and a dropper. Again, just touching in my paintbrush, and I'm going to take, do you remember I showed you that little bit of shape? And so I'm just adding it over that half moon shape that I showed you yesterday. And I'm just kind of accentuating it. So I'm adding a little bit in here, down, around. Again, you can kind of add as much or as little as you want. But I'm trying to accentuate that bulbousness of my pumpkin. And of course, if you haven't seen this video, go check it out, subscribe to the channel. Now you see just that little bit of extra shimmer in those areas just gives me some bulbousness to my pumpkin. I might kind of blend it out a bit, but you can do so. You can also add a little bit of water if you want it to move more, but I'm just trying to accentuate the bulbousness, the roundness of my pumpkin. So you can see on there the way it's catching the light, you can see exactly where it is. So really, really cool. Love liquid pixie dust. I forgot to show it to you yesterday, so I wanted to do a little bonus today so that you can see it. And tomorrow we're going to be using those pink and main stamps, and we're giving you tips on how to use your distress inks on dark cardstock, something that you asked me about a lot. So join me again for Inktoberfest, or it might be the day after, but we'll be back very, very soon. We'll definitely be back tomorrow with another video, so check that out. And you can also check out that technique soon as well. We'll see you then. Bye.